Good afternoon, everyone. Now we will talk about have got or has got. What is a have got and has got? It means own or hold something. Ya'ni ma'nosini alohida ma'nosini ifodalaydigan bo'lsak, have got va has got bor deb tarjima qilinadi va ya'ni shaxs yoki narsaga nimadir narsa tegishli va o'sha narsa o'shanda bor degan ma'noni anglatadi va buni ko'proq biz British Englishda foydalanamiz. Demak, to'xtaladigan bo'lsak, have got, has got ikkalasi ham bor deb tarjima qilinar ekan. Have got ko'plikdagi egadan keyin, has got birlikdagi egadan keyin qo'llaniladi. Ya'ni I, you, we, dan keyin have got ishlatamiz. Misol keltiradigan bo'lsak, they have got a new car. Ularning yangi mashinasi bor. It's all about teamwork with these pronouns. Ya'ni e'tibordan chetlatmaymiz, ko'plik bilan have got ishlatiladi. Has got esa birlikdagi egadan keyin ishlatiladi. Ya'ni he, she, it va birlikdagi otlardan keyin ishlatishimiz mumkin. She has got a great ideas. Uning ajoyib g'oyasi bor. Inkor shaklini yasashda have va hasdan keyin not qo'yish orqali yasaymiz va bunda u yo'q degan tarjimani beradi. I have not got any money, mening umuman pulim yo'q. He has not got time, uning vaqti yo'q kabi. Demak, qisqartmalarda o'sha ko'rishimiz mumkin. Have gotni ega bilan qisqartirishimiz mumkin yoki has gotni ega bilan qisqartirishimiz mumkin yoki bo'lmasa notni o'rtada qisqartirib yuborishimiz mumkin. Haven't got, hasn't got shaklida. Savol shaklini yasash uchun have hasni egadan oldinga chiqaramiz. Have you got a pet yoki bo'lmasa has she got a brother shakllarda ko'rishimiz mumkin. Have has egadan oldinga chiqayapti va bormi degan savolni yasashda yordam beryapti. Qisqa javob berishni o'rganadigan bo'lsak, agar ha bor demoqchi bo'lsak, birlikdagi egadan keyin yes I have yoki no I haven't. Birlikda bo'lsa yes he has, no he hasn't shakllarini ishlatamiz. Have va have got. Ya'ni have va have got deyarli bir xil ma'noga ega va ikkalasini ham bor deb tarjima qilsak bo'ladi. Ya'ni I have a dog, the same is I have got a dog, but have got is just more informal and common in speech. Ya'ni have got ni ishlatganimizda bu ko'proq norasmiy bo'lar ekan va ko'proq nutqda ishlatilishini ko'rishimiz mumkin. Ya'ni bu darsda biz juda ko'plab narsalarni o'rganishga ega bo'ldik. Ya'ni have got, has got nimaligini va undan tashqari have qaysi holatlarda, has got qaysi holatlarda ishlatilishi va ular o'rtasidagi farqni o'rgandik. Undan tashqari have got va has got bilan have hasning o'rtasidagi farq ham, ya'ni have got, has got ko'proq nutqda ishlatilar ekan va bundan tashqari ko'proq informalroq hisoblanar ekan. Have has esa ko'proq formal ya'ni holatlarda ishlatilishi mumkin. Thank you for your attention.